damn it.
And I started to see sparks coming out. I guess there was a bunch of bolts missing from the bead lock.
It's like almost like Vicks, huh?
Well,
We blew my front left tire out bad too. Like it bent the whole beadlock ring and everything.
damn it.
Over here too, Jeff.
This is not good, dude. What is it? I'm missing bolts on my bead locks. Oh, fuck, this is sideways. What am I missing up there?
Not up there that I saw. Can we take off bolts from here?
I might as well just swap the spare.
You're also missing bolts and nuts too.
Oh, that's right. How far back was that road you get down into? I don't think I'll make it, but
That's not that far.
can you drive down there so I have a point of reference?
I knew I was like, what is
So we'll have to swap this and we'll steal all the shit out of this.
You know what's crazy about that is that happened a while ago because when Christian was in front of you, I swear to God, I thought somebody was dropping cigarette butts out.
Really?
And I was like, well, I thought it was the truckers. But what's crazy is I've been behind this entire time.
We should just camp on them. We're missing a lot. I mean, these are all easy to get, but so I'll get a couple dozen at the store in Eli. Swap this out. I'm only missing 3 on that side. And then get us into town. And then I'll see if this tire's worth the shit. I'm gonna need a spare.
Yeah, sure.
They didn't even come undone, they just broke. Oh no. Okay, well that's a issue. Oh, fuck. Did you hear that, Nate? The bolts broke off. They didn't come undone.
It broke off?
They broke off. Well, last night we were cruising, doing pretty good, making great time, and at about 3 in the morning, started getting a weird vibration, and guys said they saw sparks flying off my truck. And this happened. As you can see, I'm missing bolts on my bead lock. They just sheared right off. So we're putting the spare on. We're re-torquing everything because it was not torqued correctly. And I don't know, you know, who knows what happened, whether it was the shop that did it or it just came undone for vibrations, but should not have happened. So we'll see. No, 16 is fine.
Good morning. 7:20 in the morning, and the plan was to be on the road already. We were supposed to make it to Gene Spot yesterday, which is an hour and a half. An hour and a half away from here, but we didn't end up making it because Jeff started to feel vibrations from his rig, and I started to see sparks coming out. Turns out his left rear tire was done for. I guess there was a bunch of bolts missing from the bead lock, and luckily we're less than 100 meters from this pull-out spot here where we just set up camp, took a little nap.
Oh shit, wonder if this matters. I have a little screw coming out of this.
And now they're tightening all the beads because they're all pretty loose, which is no bueno. As you can see, some of these are missing bolts. So Nate keeps breaking bolts.
Sabotage.
Fuck.
These are so f***ed up, but they're so comfortable.
Deep in the woods lies the shadowlands, where brother bear is weeping his deepest lament. Sister moon sings a song so sweet, trying her best to bring relief. She sings, cold winds must be endured. Everything's still under a bit of freeze. Seasons must change, don't lament the way it's always been, it will always be. Summer, autumn, winter, and spring. Brother Bear slowly drifted off.
Bro, what the fuck was that?
You did it with food in your mouth? It's a good way to choke.
Damn, bro, that went straight to my brain.
All right, let's go.
What is this?
It's smelling salts,
Shake it. Shake it.
but it's a liquid form, so it's stronger. There you go. Right to the dome,
It only
son.
went in one nostril.
Yeah, let's go.
Come on, G.
We look like we're doing drugs outside a gas station.
Damn.
That's not, come on, sniff, bro. Breathe.
It's like almost like Vicks, huh?
Well, gee. There it is. Everyone's gonna do it once.
All right, let me see it here.
Yep, shake it up real good.
Yeah, shake it up and then
Straight to the dome.
It like slowly creeped up and then it just hits
There you go. Do
It's like hard.
you got to shake it first.
Shake it hard.
You got to shake it to activate it and then do it.
No?
No?
Really?
Wow.
Fuck.
I'll try it.
Like,
There's-
to me, it kind of reminded me of like thinking of hitting wasabi.
oh yeah, that's ammonia, dude. Mother.
Good times. I don't know if you can tell I'm on the side of the freeway. I've been here since midnight. We blew my front left tire out bad too. Like it bent the whole beadlock ring and everything. I tried to repair it all night last night, and then tried to repair my spare. The spare tire is actually all just blown to shit, which sucks. They're brand new tires, brand new. Just spent a ton of money on them. So hopefully they'll warranty out or something. But I finally, since midnight, we put multiple claims into AAA and called every tow company in Colorado basically, and we finally just got one. So Nate just went to grab us back breakfast, and I just got the call, so we're finally headed out to Loveland for this expo. I already don't like expos to begin with, and this just really confirms it. This trip sucks. I'm sure it'll get better, and luckily I'm with good people, but this just absolutely sucks.
When we started the design of Kufu Draw System, we bought a deck, we fitted it, we reviewed it, like, is this good, is this, what we want? And we went in a completely different direction.
3/4, just like a bed slide.
It's cantilevered because it runs on wheels. So this triple slide.
But the thing is like,
look at that. There's no, because there's a third slide in the middle.
That's so funny.
The most important bit of the kit.
So as long as it's
is it upside down though? I noticed that's an Australian thing.
It is, yeah.
Ours here are the other way around.
Yeah.
Because you pop like this instead of like that.
Well, you'd have to. So we just a lot of product testing went into that crown.
Been so many counters with that in college. I go up to my buddy's house or something and just go up there and pop half the kit. Formica, just all right, or MDF that has like.
And you're leaning there all night.
Yeah.
And that's a smooth top. No exposed ribs. All the ribs are on this side.
I always look at it because the biggest thing is like catching on shit coming out like that deck.
Yeah.
I have the seal does, keeps dust, it helps, it does things, right? But we'll put a rubber pad and some seal, some silicone and good stuff like that.
Off to find our spot. We're gonna be at the Gaia booth
along with my rig, Jeff's rig, and I believe another rig. Second time being here at the expo, and it looks like we're going to be experiencing a lot of rain. A lot of rain on this this event. It's forecasted to be raining Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, along with thunderstorms, so should be great. Hey Layla, she's tired. It's been a long trip. I think we're all ready for some shut-eye. We got a big line right here for everyone who's checking in. Should be fun. It's 90 degrees. It's hot. You gotta stay hydrated.
Okay.
Yeah.
Why are you telling us out?
Because I'm telling y'all, motherfuckers.
Hey, Joe Daddy.
All right, ladies.
You're just now getting there?
No, we're actually like getting inside now.
It's gonna be here for 3 days.
It blows up
Just
the
start
legs.
this back.
And then you finally get over it, but it makes a huge, this one is, like I said, about 4 feet, 280,000 BTUs. It can go bigger than that. It has a safety cutoff, so if you're real drunk and you're screwing around, it'll click and you just start over again.
Okay.
Just turn it off and then turn it back on. Like I said, that right about there is about 2 hours per pound. That was tested here. So if you go to Florida, you get better. If you go to, higher altitude, 13,000, you get.